Hello my friend, how are you? Today my guest is funny girl, Nastya. For several years she was going to cut her hair short, but she didn't dare. And today is a day. Let's watch the chapter 1, Goodbye. The first thing is to cut off the excess and give a couple minutes to a client to say goodbye for the hair. Well done. Chapter 2, Bottom nape. Alright, it's time to cut a haircut. I move the diagonal parting from bottom to top with a 7/30 angle. This is word designation with the clock, but let's try. Maybe it will be more sense than with classical angles. Maybe. And each following strand I pull to the previous strand. Thus I create volume movement from bottom to up. This is called graduation. Take your patient to the graduation. Other side, we repeat all the same and try to make it symmetrical. Chapter 3, the top of back of the head. I continue to build a graduation with the same technique. The elevation is around 7/30 and I pull each next strand to the previous one. So, at this form I have short strands on the bottom and long strands at the top. And my volume line it's around here. Well done. Chapter 4, Sides. Everything is simple here. I pull first strand of the side to the last strand of the back and repeat this line. All subsequent strand I also pull back. Thus I create volume and length movement from the nape to the face. On the other side, everything is the same here, so as not to be bored, this is poem about the other side. In the spring the weeds will show that he brought back the only rose, and he gave it to his girl on the other side of the wall. Well done. Chapter 5, the top. You'll be surprised, but I cut the top in the same way. I just continue the line. So, as you see, all the haircut is cut with the angle 7/30. So, I propose that we officially call this haircut 7:30. And of course, the best time for this haircut is 7:30. But if you wanna add some layers, you should wait until 12 o'clock. When I cut the top zone, I always focused on natural pattern of the color. Because in the struggle between man and nature, nature always wins. Well done. Chapter 6, Blow Dry. Comment, like and subscribe. 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 Well done. Chapter 7, Detalisation. Now I cut slight bends for make haircut more elegant. And now it's time to enjoy the result. Thank you for taking the time to see me, and my hugs for everyone. Well done.